Hey guys, in this video we will check and we will see the different ads that we are creating here on the course, okay? Basically, Google gives you some options. You can create different type of ads with Google Adwords, and we will explore 3 of them on this video, which are the main ones. The first one is search. Also, we have the display and we have the video ads. The search ads are ads that are showing only on the Google search page. So when somebody goes to google.com and they search for a keyword, let's say we search for hotels in New York City, we'll see some results at the top that are ads. All these 4 at the top are ads. You can see here, ad, below the headline, you have the ad sign. This is the search Google AdWords and ad, okay? So we will create this later here on the course. The second one is the display ads. That means that all over the internet, and you probably saw this, I'll show you real examples here. All over the internet, people are adding to their website the Google AdWords code so their website can earn a little bit of money showing ads to their visitors. And these ads are, here we have an example. Here we are, for example, on speedtest.net, which is a website where you can check the speed of your internet. And we see here 2, 3, 4, 5 ads. You see here at the top, I was looking for flights to Berlin, and you see they are offering me here first class to Berlin on the ad. This is another Google AdWords that is showing here, another ad from Google. Here is another one that is not showing for some reason, and here we have the last one from Digital Marketer. So basically they are using retargeting here, and they are showing me, this is the display ads on Google AdWords. They are showing me ads that are related with recent internet activity that I made. I was visiting the American Airlines website few days ago, and they are showing me ads here. So this is the display ads, and you can create ads in this way too here on Google AdWords. Here we have another example of display ads on the New York Times website. Let's see, it's refreshing. Hopefully we will see the ad here on this area. Here we are. Here we have the Slack ad. This is an ad from Google AdWords too. You see here? And basically if I click here, I will be redirected to this, the company website. So the New York Times is using this space at the top for ads also. The next example we have is from Miami Herald. We have here another Google ad displayed. We are talking here about display ads right now. Here we have the classic alligator on Florida coming out of the water. So here we have 1, 2, and 3. This is another ad. We have 3 ads from Google AdWords here on this website. So this is display ads. We talk about search ads here. All the ads that are showing on the google.com website on the search page. We talk about display ads that are showing all over the internet in all the websites that. And the last one that we are exploring is the video ad. You know, probably if you go to YouTube and you play videos, sometimes you see ad at the beginning of the video. So yeah, if I play this video, this is an ad that is running and I have the chance to jump the ad after 5 seconds or something like that, or sometimes I need to watch the whole thing. So this is the video ad, and you will see on this course too, on this model, how to create video ads on YouTube. It's very easy and it's very, very powerful. Most entrepreneurs, especially small business owners, are not using properly or are not using at all the power that you have with Google Ads on video, especially on YouTube, because your audience is on YouTube. Everybody is using YouTube, and you have the chance to create cheap ads on YouTube. I mean, not investing cheap, I mean not investing a lot of money and having great results. So this is the video ad. I hope this is helpful. I hope now you know the difference between search ads, display ads, and video ads. And in the next video, we will start opening your Google AdWords account and start creating your first Google AdWords campaign. See you there.